Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through St. Andrew. We are on Grandspen Road and it just finished raining, so you can see the Grandspen Gully, a lot of water flowing through it. We're going to go through, but we're just going to let this car come through first and then we'll go through the middle. There you can see a lot of water, but it's passable. Now these gullies should have bridges, so you don't have to go through the gully, you would have a bridge to go over, but the government is working on the road infrastructure and some gullies there were able to put the bridge for you to drive over, but not all yet. So we just have to give it some time. Okay, now you can see the water circling on the road, so we have to take our time and go through because we're not sure where a pothole is. But this is a Grandspen area and we're on Grandspen Road. And we're heading towards Barbican. Okay, here you can see the water, so we just have to take our time. Okay, at this intersection now is Shortwood Road. If we were to turn left, we would take Shortwood Road up to the Manor Park area. If we turn right, we would take Shortwood Road back to Constant Spring Road. But we're going to go straight across and stay on Grandspen Road. As you can see, we have the green and that taxi just went right through the red lights. But that's like a daily occurrence now. So it coming like nothing to see somebody, especially a taxi, run a red light. Persons would actually be surprised if that car had stopped. Okay, we'll have to take our time and drive because, as we said, we don't know where the potholes are. Okay, on the right is a Grandspen police station. You can see a police car coming out. Okay, on the left we just passed one of the drains. So you notice this side of the road doesn't have much water because you see the drains on the left where you see the yellow line. The drains are the hole in the yellow line on the ground towards the left. Those are the drains. So you notice this side of the road has no water backed up because the drains are right there and they're clearly working properly. They're not blocked. And the drains would lead the water back out into these gullies. On the right, you see the gully. So you see, there is no water gathering on the road here because the drains are working. can move a little faster. There on the left, you see the drain. You see the water going into the drain. That's how it's supposed to work. Alright, we're now turning left onto Barbican Road. If we had gone straight, we would go into the Drumblair area. So we're now on Barbican Road, heading towards Barbican Square. Now Barbican Road was recently renovated, so they shouldn't have any drainage issues. As you can see, there is no water on this road. This is how it's supposed to be on all the roads, but I guess it takes a little time to get everything up and running. Alright, so as you can see, Barbican Road was recently renovated. It's a dual carriageway. You can see the concrete barricade and street lights. The road is painted. I mean, when I say painted, the white lines are in the road. A lot of signage. Okay, at this intersection now, if we were to turn left, we would go into the Russell Heights area. If you go straight, you stay on Barbican Road. As you can see, there is no water on this road. Alright, so we're now entering the Barbican town center. And we're turning right and going into the High-Low supermarket parking lot. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.